Chef Abhishek, Executive Chef at Radisson, Goa, Candolim. Today we have cake mixing, which is a very traditional Christmas cake mixing ceremony at Radisson, Goa, Candolim, which was originally started in Europe for preserving the fruits during the winter season to make different sweets and all. So we have different dry fruits been decorated here, and we also have a lot of alcohol, like from rum, wine, everything which is here, and we will be having our guests and our local dignitaries with us here very soon, and we will be mixing it and stirring it up for the Christmas cake soon. Hope you people enjoy it, and thank you so much. In this, the special is that this is very traditional. So every year for Christmas cake mixing, the Christmas cake, the stollen, and the Christmas pudding, which is served during the Christmas, we soak this fruit ahead around 15 to 45 days before, so that this dry fruit is matures in the process, and then a good flavor comes to the cake. So that is the tradition of Christmas cake mixing.
We are Radisson, Goa, Candolim. I am the general manager of the hotel, Radisson. So today we have gathered together to do a cake mixing ceremony, annual cake mixing ceremony. We do it on a yearly basis, just before Christmas. So today is a very nice day. Today happens to be the Children's Day also, November the 14th. So we have all gathered here. There are a lot of guests. You must be seeing the waiting there. We have got an entire array of all rich dry fruits, nuts and everything, and a lot of spirits. So we are here to mix the cake, and with all your good wishes, we will be ensuring that everybody has a good festive season coming forward. So during the Christmas time, we will be baking the same mix, which will make lovely plum cakes, and which will be giving it to most of the guests who will be staying with us, plus those guests staying in Goa too. So I request every Goans to please come to Radisson, Goa, Candolim, and taste our food and the offerings and the services. I am 100% sure and will ensure that you will love it. Thank you so much. Have a great Christmas and a lovely New Year. Thank you.
Plum pudding, because of the abundance of fruits, originated in England. It is traditionally made 5 weeks before Christmas, on or after the Sunday before Advent. That day was often deemed Stir-Up Sunday, and each family member or child in the household gave the pudding a stir and made a wish. Many households stirred silver coins for wealth, tiny wishbones for good luck, and a silver thimble for thrift, a ring for marriage, or an anchor for safe harbor into the mixture. And when served, whoever got the lucky serving will be able to keep the charm. So all the best, whoever is doing the cake mixing. And thank you so much for
Pour all the spirits and mix it well with all your blessings, and all your taste from your soul should go into this cake. So whoever have it in the December should feel blessed. Thank you so much.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come on!